A dent from a wonderful member of society that kicked this guy's car for no apparent reason. Nobody even knows who did it. But I'm going to see if we can help this guy out. And we will see what happens. And in the background you hear the whistling of a very happy neighbor. We'll check in and see how we do. And here it is done. It's actually a very, very difficult dent to fix, just because of all of the complex angles and the amount of damage done to the metal. And we're going to even show all the flaws that are left in it, which really aren't too bad, again, for what we had to work with. So this guy's going to be thrilled. Next stop, chiropractor's office.